Erewhon.
Erewhon supermarket is
Celebrity collaborators and influencer posts. The Erewhon smoothie has hit social media by storm.
This is what dreams are made of. Oh, God.
This is probably one of the best Erewhon smoothies I've ever had.
Another day, another Erewhon smoothie taking over TikTok.
I'm on my way to Erewhon right now.
What if I told you there's a supermarket where a single smoothie costs more than an entire week's worth of groceries? Not just some fancy store with organic veggies and spelt cookies, but a place where shopping itself has become a status symbol. A place where avocados are individually wrapped and hand-polished. A place where celery juice sells for $12, not because it tastes better, but because it's part of the lifestyle. Welcome to Erewhon. A name that sounds like a futuristic utopia, or like a mix between Elon Musk and a yoga retreat. But Erewhon is real, and this store is probably the most extreme thing Los Angeles consumer world has ever produced. While you're still debating whether to buy organic or conventional, dozens of influencers with Louis Vuitton fanny packs are lining up in West Hollywood for a Hailey Bieber smoothie. And that's not an exaggeration. That's everyday life at Erewhon. But what exactly is Erewhon? Is it just hype for the rich? Some kind of TikTok backdrop for overpriced health products? Or is there a carefully calculated business model behind it? One that shamelessly exploits our desire for health, exclusivity, and belonging. Today, I'll show you how a nearly forgotten health food store turned into one of the world's most fascinating luxury brands, and why the fact that a smoothie here costs $20 is no mistake, but pure strategy. Originally, Erewhon was founded in the 1960s, a spot for macrobiotic fans, organic pioneers, and alternative health apostles. A tiny store in Boston, later in Los Angeles, catering to a crowd that existed even before the word vegan did. Then, in 2011, came the turning point. Tony and Josephine Antosi, a business-minded couple with vision, took over Erewhon. What they built was nothing less than a cultural phenomenon. They saw the trend. More and more people weren't just looking for food, they were looking for meaning. They wanted products with stories, with purity, with style. The Antosis understood. Food today is much more than fuel. It's identity. They began rethinking Erewhon from the ground up, not as a supermarket, but as an experience. Everything was overhauled. The shelves, minimalist, organized like an art gallery. The selection, exclusive, premium, sometimes absurdly expensive. The customers, no longer just health-conscious folks, but a new elite, influencers, actors, CEOs. By the time the pandemic hit, the hype exploded. While other supermarkets were hoarding toilet paper, Erewhon was launching the Hailey Bieber smoothie.
Well, it is the latest viral sensation, a strawberry that costs $19.99. They sell it at Erewhon, these luxury strawberries. They're imported from Japan, and it took us days to get our hands on them. Really, my friend Christy, days. They've been sold out, and people have been waiting hours. Again, Christy waiting hours. The strawberry has been making waves on social media, with some people saying this is the very best strawberry they...
A pink drink in a clear cup, topped with strawberries, coconut cream, and a price tag that makes you gasp. $20. What's in it? Almonds, organic collagen, strawberries, dates, Himalayan salt, but most of all, marketing. Because the real product isn't the smoothie, it's the feeling you buy when you hold it in your hand. It's the quiet message, I belong here, I am healthy, I am mindful, I am exclusive. Erewhon doesn't sell food, Erewhon sells the ideal of a perfect life. Spotless shelves, perfectly lit bottles, products with names like Brain-On, Adaptogen Elixir, or Moon Juice. Everything feels like Gwyneth Paltrow personally curated it. And the crazy thing is, people love it. They pay double with a smile. Because they're not just buying products, they're buying belonging. Shopping at Erewhon says, I'm not just anybody. I'm part of the health-conscious society. I don't drink coffee. I detox, I don't eat chips, I consume activated spirulina crackers, and it works.
Bougie girlfriend.
I was gonna say bougie.
Yeah.
It's very like LA grocery store. I'd say it's kind of
Calabasas vibes.
unnecessary.
Erewhon carefully curates products from small, high-quality producers. Some can only be found there. Others are deliberately limited to boost the sense of exclusivity. Then comes the storytelling. Every brand, every ingredient, every package tells you why this will make your life better and why buying it makes a statement against the mainstream for your health, for your lifestyle. The prices seem absurd. $20 for a smoothie, $8 for a vegan protein bar, $9 for a liter of water. But that's the whole point. If it were cheap, it wouldn't be Erewhon. If it were everywhere, it wouldn't be special. Here, the line between madness and branding is deliberately blurred. Today, in 2025, there are 10 Erewhon stores across California. More are planned. Revenue is growing, the hype continues. Of course, there's criticism. Snob supermarket, wellness elite, consumer madness with an organic stamp. But Erewhon isn't trying to reach everyone. They want the ones who want to belong. And that's their biggest strength. Because as long as people strive for perfection, Erewhon will sell them a bottle of it. Erewhon doesn't just show how to sell groceries, it shows how to package an entire world view in glass bottles, framed by white shelves, accompanied by indie pop and the scent of roses. What do you think? Is Erewhon a clever move in a world full of uncertainty? Or just a pretentious mirror of our times, where even a smoothie becomes a status symbol? Write it in the comments, and let's discuss. And if you love stories about absurd realities, don't forget to subscribe. Because on this channel, you'll experience the madness of yesterday, today, and tomorrow.